Today we are going to unbox our August 2024 Sew Sample box, and this is my box right here. So I also received this in the mail today as well, but more about this in a minute. Okay, now let's go on ahead and open our box. And so this is what our box says right here. It says Fable of Fall. Right? I feel like this is like a soft introduction to the fall season with the fabric in here. There you go. Summer is coming to an end, right? Let's dive in and see what's in our box. So this right here, it comes in every single box. And behind it will say some kind of discount of some sort. So this month we have 20% off of layer cakes. I'm not sure if it's one layer cake or layer cakes. It just says 20% off layer cakes. And then if you do not like what Fat Quarter Shop offers on the exclusive pattern, they give you another option to sew this right here. So that's that. Of course, we have this right here letting you know what everything is worth. First thing in our box is this clamshell ruler. This is a half circle clamshell ruler. It says here that it could do clamshell, full circle, half circle, quarter circle, and orange peel. That's what it could do. I feel like this is going to be needed for the pattern in this box. Now, you want to know how much this costs? The price for this clamshell ruler is $18.98. The width of it is, I think, is 6 inches. So if you're going to do a full circle, your full circle will be 6 inches across. The next thing in our box is this OFA rotary cutter right here, and it's a 28mm one. It's really good if you are doing like English paper piecing. It's handy, it's nice. I think I'm going to start using it. I also think we're going to need this for the project in this box. Now the price for this is $15.98. The next thing in our box is this Sew Line marking pencil. It's kind of like a mechanical pencil, and so you use it to mark on your fabric, and I think you can have different colors of this one having to be white. You can use this on a darker color fabric. It's slick. It looks like a real pencil, really nice to hold. And then over here it's an eraser. It's a nice quality. The price for this right here is $6.98. So the next thing in our box is our monthly Peaceful Basket sew along. This is what it looks like this month, and this is our block number 5. If you've subscribed to me for a while, you know that I'm sewing this on my channel step by step from the beginning to the end. So stay tuned for this. I will be filming this shortly so you guys can watch that. So this right here is our exclusive pattern, and this is the Verbena quilt pattern. You're going to need the layer cake like right here. So, but I want to show you the quilt first. This is what it looks like right here, the whole full quilt. You're going to need this ruler because it requires us to sew half circle, which I've never done before. The price for the exclusive pattern is $9.98. So, which leads me to the fabric. I'm going to open the fabric. This is really, really rich in color. This is the Folk and Lore collection. This is designed by Fancy That Design House, right? And I think this is her fall collection. It's very rich in color. Is also, she designed for Moda as well. See that? That is like your fall. It's flowery, but it's not dated. It's really fresh, you know, colors. So this one, I'm gonna open this. So this is what it looks like, right? So this is this rich color, yellow, this light blue. This is a more of like a beige, and it's coming, this is the true color of it on the screen, on my screen at least. This is the blue, this is a cream. It reminds me of, I don't know if you guys shop at Rifle Paper Company. This is what their colors look like. Very, very pretty. It is like a planner company where you buy papers and pens and some household stuff. Very colorful, very pretty, very classy actually. So that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of Rifle Paper Company. This is some of their colors. Now that has nothing to do with quilting, but I just wanted to kind of like reiterate that. Fancy That Design House also design like planners and papers as well. So her color mimics Rifle Paper Company as well because they both do papers. So there you go. as I am flipping through, I'm just kind of letting you know what my thought process are about this fabric. So that's that, and so you can enjoy all the colors. This is all of it. Now this one right here is a little dark. It looks like red wine. Now this is more of like a dark turquoisey. Now this color is being used for fall, and I think it's lovely. I like the fabric. This is like more of my color. Now that's the end of it. This is like a rust orange. It has flowers, but it's modern. It's designed in a modern tone. I didn't think I was going to like it, but I actually love it because it's something different, and it's not your average orange fall colors, like, you know, something very, is vibrant is the word I'm looking for. This collection is a vibrant color, and it's refreshing, even though fall is kind of like where everything is brown and dark and orange. This is a very vibrant collection. If you have not purchased it, I'm just letting you know what my thoughts are. I think it's a good buy if you decide to pick up a fat quarter bundle or fat 8 bundles of this. If you want to make something, it's also, you know what, if you want to make something for a man, this is masculine enough, but also very feminine at the same time. So you can use it and he can use it, or you both can use it. The price for this right here is $25.48. This is 24 pieces, so this is half of layer cake, and I think that's what you're going to need to make this right here. I would like to make this because I do like it. I've never sewn with the half circle using this kind of clamshell. If something is a challenge to me, guess what? I'm just gonna dive in and do it anyway. So if you guys want to sew along with me, or you want to see me sew this, comment down below and let me know that you want to sew this pattern, because I think it's really cute. And I honestly have this color blue in my sewing room already in my stash behind me, so I can use the blue, and I can kind of like use like a white on white here. This fabric right here is not a true white. It's like white background with speckles. It looks like leaves and pinks and things like that. So like I said, it's not your average fall color kind of fabric. This is very chic, and I think I'm gonna pick up a fat 8 bundle of this. I'm not sure yet. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this month box. Now, you know that I like the fabric. I've never used this before. I'm planning on using it. This, you can never go wrong. I enjoy getting this. And of course, I am loving the sew along so far. All in all, this month box is, I like it. So I can't really tell you if there's anything I didn't enjoy receiving in this month box. So we have a total of 6 items. In this 6 items that we received were high dollar items. The total is $82.38. That is a total in this month box. Let me know if you think this box is worth it. Comment down below if you received this box, how you feel about the box. I want to read it down below, but I want to know if you like the box or not. So that way I know what your thought process are. You just heard mine. But I want to know what you think. Now, I want to talk a little bit about this box right here. So I received this today as well. And I want to let you know that I'm going to be sewing the Big Wood Sew Along by Tulip Pink. And this one is designed by Sarah Filkey. It is applique, y'all. It's applique. And I don't know anything about doing applique, but guess what? If I don't know how to do something, I'm gonna dive in with both feet, right? So I am telling you that I'm gonna be sewing this, and I hope you guys are gonna be sewing along with me. Now, I don't know how much I can share as far as me sewing it, but I will be sharing my progress. Now, it's already end of August, and it kicked off on August 1st, so when I wanted to go buy it the first time, it sold out. And I think Fat Quarter Shop restocked it, so I was able to get my hands on it, and it came in the mail literally today. So I'm announcing to you guys that I will be sewing along with this Big Wood. And you guys, if I'm not showing you my progress, call me out, because I want to be as transparent as I can be, because I honestly don't know what I'm doing when it comes to applique, and I want to learn it. I have the tools, I have the machine that can do applique. I don't know why I'm so scared to do it, because I don't know. So, and I know there's some of you guys out there who is like allergic to applique, but I am telling you, if I'm willing to dive in, I think you can too. If you're not gonna sew this, or you have other applique thing that you wanna sew along with me, you can, and then we can just kind of like sew it together. You can comment down below and let me know what you're working on. So with that being said, here we are. I'm gonna sew this. So please come sew along with me so I'm not the only one sewing this. All right, well, with that being said, that's all I have for you today. I hope you are having a great day, and I will love to see you in my next video. Bye.